All the credit cards in India either give you cashback or reward points as return. But what if I tell you this GoldX credit card in my hand can give you returns in 24 karat gold literally? And if you apply for the card using the link in description, you will earn 500 rupees worth of digital gold for free, which keeps appreciating in value with time just as gold prices go up. This is the Uni GoldX card that I got recently, which also has a virtual Rupay variant. And guys, the value it provides being a lifetime free card is insane. Yes Bank gives the MasterCard variant and BOB Bank gives the Visa variant like mine, both with no joining or annual fees, and everything you earn using the card is in the form of 24 karat digital gold, which I will explain how to redeem for free later in the video. It's a very beginner friendly entry level credit card that you can get right now for free if you're just between the age of 21 to 80 and you can be both salaried or self-employed. To get the Uni GoldX card, apply from the link given in the description by entering your phone number and then complete the application process, and once your card is approved, you will earn 500 rupees worth of digital coin for free using my link, so hurry up. For the physical card, you can either have from Yes Bank or BOB Bank and then apply for the virtual Rupay card from the Uni app for free. Remember, Yes Bank only allows one credit card per user, so if you already hold any other Yes Bank credit card, you can't apply for the Uni GoldX card and you may automatically get from BOB Bank instead like me, since I already hold the Kiwi Yes Bank card. This card is best suited for travelers and also for regular day-to-day spends including UPI, and let me explain why you should own it in less than 5 minutes. First, it's giving you unlimited 7% back as 24 karat digital gold on all flight bookings, be it domestic or international, done from the Uni store only in the Uni app. So, for example, for flight booking of 1 lakh, you get 7,000 rupees of digital gold. This is also a zero Forex card, which means when you travel internationally or spend on any foreign website, you can use this card and save a lot on Forex markup fees, currency conversion charges plus GST. But remember, you don't get any additional rewards on foreign transactions. I have made a comparison on best Forex cards, which you can check later if interested. While other Forex cards are only useful for saving on Forex markup fees, but the Uni GoldX card have other benefits too that you can get using within India. If you are not a traveler, then for your regular day-to-day spends, if you buy brand vouchers of Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Swiggy, Zomato, Big Basket, Zepto, Nykaa, Make My Trip and more on the Uni store, you will earn flat 5% back as 24 karat digital gold. In addition, on all these merchants, you can get up to 8% back. For all other online or offline spends, you get unlimited 1% back, and the best part is even for paying insurance premium or buying jewelry, you will get 1% reward, which is crazy. Usually, most credit cards don't offer rewards on jewelry spends, so this is a bonus. Wait, it does not stop here. If you take the virtual Rupay variant of the Uni GoldX card, which you should take after the Visa or MasterCard variant is approved, you will also get unlimited 1% back in all your scan and pay merchant payments done from any UPI app like PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. So, whether you are having your evening snacks after work or buying something from a shop via UPI, you will literally earn in 24 karat digital gold. Please note, the minimum amount to earn rewards in scan and pay is just 100 rupees, and there is no reward capping per month or no multiples of 100 or any milestone requirement needed. So, it's truly unlimited rewards with no hidden terms and conditions. Plus, the reward points have no expiration date as well, unlike other cards. This is the list of transactions where you won't earn any rewards, which is similar to other credit cards. Now, let's understand the reward points and its redemption process. So, whatever you spend with the card, you earn back as Uni coins starting from 1% to even 7% rewards as explained before. For example, for flight booking in the Uni store, which is giving unlimited 7% rewards, for every 100 rupees spent, you get 700 Uni coins, where 100 Uni coin is 1 rupee. So, 100 rupees spent on flight bookings becomes 7 rupees worth of digital gold, which is 7% net return. Hope you get it. Let me know in the comments if there are any doubts. Now, those earned Uni coins can be converted to digital gold, which is a great asset to have with just a tap from the Uni app without any reward redemption fee. Remember, as the gold prices increase or decrease, the digital gold stored will also appreciate or depreciate with time. The stored digital gold in your Uni account can either be converted to cash of equal value, or you can even mint a physical 24 karat gold coin with zero making charges. So, be it digital gold in the form of cash or even real physical gold, both are possible with the Uni GoldX card. I truly believe this is one of the best lifetime free Rupay GoldX card that everyone should own in 2026 to literally earn gold as rewards from your day-to-day spends. So don't forget to apply for the Uni GoldX card using the link in description to earn 500 rupees worth of free digital gold. And if you want to know more about Rupay cards, watch this video next, and also check out my Hindi finance channel Anant Wealth. Thank you for watching. I am Anirban and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.